Alright, I've got the HP ZBook Fury 15 Generation 8 right here, and I'm really excited about this because it is very upgradable. So we're going to turn it around, and over here we've got a little switch. You can put a screw in there if you want to kind of lock it down even further, but the bottom just slides right off. Look at that. And now we can take the battery out like this, I believe. There's the battery. Very easy to replace. Awesome. And look what else we have in here. Oh, we need a screwdriver. And after we get that screw out, it's just a little bit of looks like we have 4 8 gig DIMMs because there's 2 on the other side. I was going to put 2 more 16 gigs in here. Looks like I need more on the other side. Alright. If I wanted to upgrade. Put that back in here. And here it looks like SSD number 2. And that's an empty slot. So we can easily add another terabyte. And over here I can add a whatchamacallit, wireless LAN card. Looks like that looks like the Wi-Fi card. This whole thing can come apart, which is awesome. And here we could put, you can put either 2 more NVMe SSDs here or 2.5-inch hard drive. So let's put the battery back. How does it go here? And then we're done. Upgraded. And there we go. Now I have another terabyte. Gotta reformat it though. Pretty nice.